Project Green Light is a program that requires participating businesses in Detroit to install high-quality cameras, signs, and additional lighting that stream live video to the police headquarters. The program was launched in 2016 as a partnership between the Detroit Police Department, DPD, the City of Detroit, and community groups. The goal of the program is to improve neighborhood safety, promote the revitalization and growth of local businesses, and strengthen DPD's efforts to deter, identify, and solve crime. How does Project Green Light work? The program has 4 main components. First, the participating businesses have to purchase and install high-definition, 1080p, cameras and upgrade to high-speed network connections that allow for consistent video streaming to DPD. The number and location of the cameras depend on the size and layout of the business. Second, the participating businesses have to provide adequate lighting on all parts of their properties, and make other improvements as needed to ensure that their businesses are customer-friendly, safe, and inviting. Third, the participating businesses have to display external Project Green Light signage, including metal flag signs, decals at the top of their doors, and physical green lights. These signs indicate to customers and community members that they are part of the program, and that they are monitored by DPD. Fourth, DPD and the city have committed to devote staff to effectively receive, monitor, and analyze video feeds from Project Green Light participants in the department's state-of-the-art real-time crime center. The staff can also communicate with the business owners and alert patrol officers if they see any suspicious or criminal activity. Project Green Light has been praised by some as a groundbreaking crime-fighting initiative that has contributed to a significant decline in carjackings, robberies, and shootings in Detroit since, however, it has also been criticized by others as a costly and ineffective surveillance network that violates privacy rights and does not address the root causes of crime. Project Green Light Detroit is a crime-fighting initiative that relies on a network of high-definition cameras installed at local businesses, which are connected to the police headquarters and monitored in real time. The project aims to improve neighborhood safety, promote business growth, and deter, identify, and solve crime. According to a study by the U.S. Department of Justice, the project was linked to a significant decline in carjackings, robberies, and shootings in Detroit since, however, Project Green Light Detroit is not the only example of using surveillance cameras for crime prevention or social control. In fact, many cities and countries around the world have adopted similar or even more extensive systems of public surveillance. For instance, London has one of the largest and most sophisticated networks of CCTV, closed-circuit television, cameras in the world, with an estimated 627,707 cameras, and the cameras are used to monitor traffic, public transport, landmarks, and crime hotspots. The London Metropolitan Police claims that CCTV cameras help them solve crimes and catch suspects. Chicago has over 32,000 cameras that are part of its Operation Virtual Shield program, which covers critical infrastructure, public buildings, schools, parks, and commercial areas. The cameras are integrated with gunshot detection technology, facial recognition software, and license plate readers. The Chicago Police Department says that the cameras help them prevent and respond to violent crime and terrorism. Beijing has an estimated 200 million cameras that are part of its Skynet project, which covers almost every corner of the city and beyond. The cameras are equipped with artificial intelligence and facial recognition capabilities that can identify people, vehicles, and objects. The Chinese government says that the cameras help them maintain social stability, enforce laws, and fight against crime and terrorism. As we can see, surveillance cameras have become a common tool for crime control and prevention in many places. However, they also raise some ethical and social issues, such as privacy, civil liberties, human rights, accountability, and effectiveness. Some critics argue that surveillance cameras create a culture of fear and suspicion, violate personal privacy and dignity, enable discrimination and abuse of power, and have limited or negative impact on crime reduction. Therefore, it is important to balance the benefits and risks of surveillance cameras and ensure that they are used in a transparent, lawful, and ethical manner.